Right, this time out of the egg is going to come one of the biggest of the dinosaurs, the giant vegetarian Diplodocus. Okay, so there's his body. From that we bring the tail down a bit, but then up again, because they really needed to do that to balance the massive weight as they walked. Okay, so there's his tail. Its neck, on the other hand, is a bit like its tail in the sense that it comes up broad at the base and then way up like that, keeping along like a swan neck almost, you know, way up like that, to quite a small head, small kind of pointed, almost snake-like head, like that. Okay, with little eyes at the top and a wee mouth. The legs, slightly longer than you would think. Okay, a bit like elephant's legs, which are again longer than you think. Let's see, one would come down possibly about there, you know, and the other one planted firmly there. So there is a Diplodocus shape. Let's put its wee character in, shall we? A couple of little eyes. A little eye there, looking out at you. Okay, and top of its head, coming down a little point, a little mouth. Okay, a couple of little nostrils there, and then this long, graceful neck getting broader at the base. And a couple of wee wrinkles to suggest the skin. Okay, like that. And then the back, again, nice big curve. Wrinkle your line slightly, right along the back of the tail, bring it up to the point, and then to the back of the dinosaur there. And there's big legs, you know, I can bring the line up further there, you know, broader at the top, getting smaller at the bottom. Big elephant type feet there, and then its underside, and the other leg coming in there. Again, a few lines to suggest wrinkles. Big elephant type feet there with the nails. Okay, put a couple of nails in if you like, and the other leg coming in there. Okay, so there we have our Diplodocus, you know, ambling away quite happily, looking for some nice juicy leaves. Okay, we line up there, that's better. There we are. Okay, so let's rub out the egg and get the full picture of this giant chap. Okay, there we are. Or chapette. Yeah, excellent. So, well, you can join me in the rest of my series because there's lots more great dinosaurs to come. Okay, all the best and happy drawing.